Welcome to raigurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss a very interesting concept where we'll integrate Jira Cloud with Microsoft Teams. Let's understand the problem statement first. Whenever you are working on Teams applications and you want to send out message or create a ticket through Teams itself, then this example will help you do it. Without opening Jira account, you can create ticket directly through Teams. So we'll show you without any external add-on how we can achieve this process. Now, when we are working in any complex environment where we are getting regular incidents or defects to be logged under Jira through any applications, probably this example help the team members to do it very quickly. So Microsoft Team is one of the example. By integrating that, we can directly create a ticket in Jira Cloud instance without opening instance itself. That can be doable with the help of Teams itself. Now, to start with this here, I will first integrate Microsoft Teams with Jira, and then we'll continue further with this process. Here, once you'll navigate into the Teams, here we'll see there are Teams buckets available. I will first create a team. Now I will specify the team name. My team name is Jira Demo. Descriptions, if you want, you can keep as it is. Click on create. Once you'll create, it will give you options to add your team member. So I'm just adding one team member here. Click on add and that member will be added successfully. So here we have chat options available. Now to continue with this, we'll first go to the app sections and from here we'll search Jira Cloud. Here you can see Jira Cloud options available. Click on add and I will select this options, add to a chat. I will search the chat name. My chat name is under Jira Demo. Okay, let me add it again. Add to Teams. Here, I am getting options of different chat. Because I have created Team Jira Demo, I wanted to add Jira Cloud applications into this and click on Setup. Whenever I will click on Setup, it will ask my permissions to perform these actions. First, it will integrate within our Microsoft Teams platform. So initially, this will ask your login credentials of Jira Cloud. Post that, this will also ask your consent of Microsoft Office. And third is you have to enter your credentials of Microsoft Office because Teams environment is integrated within Microsoft Office itself. Once you'll enter all three values, it will ask you to select your project, which is the screen. So here I will select my instance. I'm selecting this one. It will ask me to enter the project name. So I'm selecting this assert that, and in issue here I will create an update and comment also I'm providing the create and update type. I'm selecting all, priority again all. Here we'll see the notifications. Now add another project. If you want, you can select again, start with the same process where you will select the instance, add the project name, and notifications will be added successfully. Now here, once the integration is done, we'll get these options. Here, let me click on create issues. Because our project is well integrated, once I will click on create issue on cloud, this will navigate us to the project or instance name where the instance is available. As of now, I selected assert that, which is a project name. Here, I wanted to create a user story or maybe as a defect. I will provide the defect name as a defect created by Teams. I will copy same text here and paste it into the description. Assign, I will see whichever options I have into the assign field. Labels, if you have any labels available, it show me priority, whichever priorities we have, blocker, highest, high, I will select blocker, parent, components, everything is available. So whichever fields you are adding through Jira account, exactly same process is listed here. If you want, even you can add any attachments, which is listed here. I have created one video on REST API. So I've attached the same image here. Whenever I will upload, this image will be uploaded on my cloud instance. I will show you what's the process. Now, post creations, you can see this defect is logged successfully with the defect ID AS14. Here, you can also see the notifications added through window. Let's navigate it to our Jira instance and search for this defect. You can see this defect is exactly added, whatever informations we have provided. So this image is also added, creating Jira priority with the REST API. By the way, if you want to learn about Jira and REST API concept, feel free to refer my channel Raigurkul, and from here you will see videos related to technologies. So as of now, just now I uploaded one video on create Jira priority with the REST API. You can feel free to refer complete playlist, which will help you to get all the videos related to any topics are listed under playlist itself. As of now, I have uploaded 60 videos on REST API, more than 100 videos on Jira, and with third-party add-ons 20 plus video. So this will help you to guide on Jira platform as well as other videos related to technologies which is listed here. Feel free to refer that and support this channel by giving your subscribe button as well as pressing on bell icon and providing comment, which will help me to improve myself. This is how we can create any defect and do the attachments. What if I will upload or add any comments from here? This is comment from Jira. Now, once I will save, this comment will be added successfully. Similar way, you can see the notifications. This comment is added from Jira. If you want, you can even edit these issues. Whenever you want, you can edit these issues, and whenever we upload or do any actions, this will get notified to our Teams chat. Here, if you want to reply this comment, you can also add direct reply, which is sync on both the applications. Whenever you will add any comments or post any comments, this will get highlighted in both the applications. So here I will add, this is a comment added from Teams. Now this comment is added successfully. When I will navigate it to this page, refresh my instance, I will see the comments will be added. Say this. Even if I will update any of issues status, then also it will get notified to the Teams. Here you can see this status field is updated. So whichever actions I will perform through Jira instance, I can see it here as well. We have not used any third-party applications. Similarly, you can also utilize it any third-party applications to integrate your Jira instance with Teams. But if we already have Atlassian cloud applications available, then why we can use other instances? In terms of configuration setting, you can configure or manage any settings whenever you want. Here you will get a lot of options, creating issues, managing issues, adding comments. But in terms of connector configurations, whenever you will click on apps sections, go to the manage your apps, and from this wizard, you can modify any of your connector which is added here. So that's how we can integrate our Jira cloud instance with Teams environment, and you can do whatever you want. So that's all about Jira integration with Teams, which is quick enough. You have to just provide the credentials of Microsoft Office, provide the consent to Microsoft, as well as adding the credentials of your Jira instance, which is quickly integrating your Teams with Jira. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If things or this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.